chapter is time, and today we will know how to convert and how to write 12-hour clock time in 24-hour clock time. As I told you, as I explained you, after midnight to 12 midday we will write am. Before 12 midday we will write am, and after midday के बाद से लेकर till 12 midnight we have to write pm, we have to write time in pm. लेकिन we can also write time, हम ऐसे भी रीड करते हैं 20 whenever we have to write time in 24-hour clock we will write as after midday we will write as 1300 hours 1400 hours. It means 12 midday के बाद when we read 12 hour में हम कैसे रीड करते हैं 1 o'clock 2 o'clock 3 o'clock. लेकिन 24 आवर्स में हम कैसे रीड करेंगे 13 आवर्स 14 आवर्स 12 में हम 1 प्लस करते चले जाते हैं. एज 3:45 PM 3:45 PM कब का टाइम है आफ्टर मिड डे. और अगर हमें 24 आवर्स में अगर उसे रीड करना पड़ेगा तो कैसे करेंगे 12 में हम कितने प्लस करेंगे 3 बिकॉज दिस इज टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे. 3:45 PM जो 12 o'clock के बाद का टाइम है, मिड डे के बाद का टाइम है 3:45 PM, इसीलिए तो हम PM लिख रहे हैं. सो इन 24-hour clock, how to write this time in 24-hour clock? We will add 3 hours in 12 hours and time will be 15:45 hours, 15:45 hours. So for writing time in 24-hour clock we have to add 12 in the hours in the given time. अगर हमें 24 आवर्स में 12 आवर्स को लिखना है, 12 आवर्स टाइम को 24 आवर्स टाइम में लिखना है तो वी हैव टू ऐड 12. जहाँ भी PM होगा वी हैव टू ऐड 12 आवर्स इन गिवन टाइम. सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग one more time in this exercise. We will do only first question, how to write टाइम इन 24-hour क्लॉक टाइम. अगर टाइम 12 आवर में क्लॉक में लिखा हुआ है तो हाउ टू राइट इन 24-hour क्लॉक टाइम. 12 आवर में कैसे लिखते हैं बाय यूजिंग AM एंड PM. एज आई टोल्ड यू आफ्टर 12 midnight to 12 midday we will write time in AM and after midday we will start writing PM till to midnight. रात के 12 बजे तक हम लोग PM में टाइम लिखते हैं. सो दिस इज टाइम इन 12-hour clock, time given in 12-hour clock. And how to write in 24-hour clock we will do on page. As I already explained you 24-hour clock time, how to write time in 24-hour clock time. In 24-hour clock time after midday we will start reading time as 13 hours 14 hours. If we want to write 15 hours का मतलब क्या है, it means this is time after midday and after midday we will start counting 1 hour 2 hour 3 hours. We will add 1 2 and 3 in 12 o'clock. आप यहाँ से अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. 1:35 PM this is the time after midday, this is the time after midday, इसीलिए तो हमने PM लिखा है. अगर इफ़ वी वांट टू राइट इन 24-hour क्लॉक, अगर 24-hour क्लॉक में लिखना है तो क्या करेंगे वी हैव टू ऐड 12 इन 1. 12 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 13 hours and 35 minutes 1335 hours and we will write time in hours. Whenever we have to write time in 24-hour clock we have to write time in hours. हम AM और PM नहीं लिखते. जहाँ भी PM होता है we have to add 12 in hours. 12 + 1 is equal to 13 and 35 minutes and we will not write AM and PM, we will write hours. Simply we can say after midday we will आवर्स को हम 12 में प्लस करते जाते हैं. 12 के बाद वी विल नॉट स्टार्ट रीडिंग एज 1 o'clock 2 o'clock. क्या करेंगे 1 को हम 12 में प्लस करेंगे. वी विल गेट 13 hours 14 hours 15 hours till to 12 o'clock मिड नाइट, रात के 12 बजे तक हम कैसे काउंट करते चले जाते हैं? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. 24 means time at midnight, 12 o'clock at midnight. 4:45 a.m. This is the time. This is am written. It means this is the time before midday. दोपहर के 12 बजे से पहले का टाइम है, इसीलिए तो हमने am लिखा है. अब what is to do here? Here we will not add. अब हम यहाँ पर 12 प्लस नहीं करेंगे. 12 कहाँ प्लस करने होते हैं? Whenever PM written, जहाँ भी PM लिखा होता है we have to add 12 in hours. So simply we will write 4, 5 hours. We will write time in hours, लेकिन we have to write hours also in 2 digits. 2 digits we will write hours in 2 digits, as well as we will write minute also in 2 digits. So we will write 0, 4, 4, 5 hours. Why we are not adding 12? Because time before midday, और before midday में सिर्फ हमको am रिमूव करना होता है, and we have to write hours. 10:25 a.m. This is written in 12 o'clock time. This is written in 12-hour clock time. So what is to do here? We will simply am को remove करेंगे, and also we will remove 2 dots. What is to write? 10:25 hours. Simply हमने क्या किया? AM को रिमूव करेंगे. We will write hours, time in hours. Why we are not adding 12? Because AM is written. 6:35 PM. Here time written in PM. It means this is the time after midday. और midday के बाद हम कैसे रीड करना शुरू करते हैं? 12 के बाद 13, 14, 15. We have to write time in hours और प्लस करते चले जाते हैं. So this is the time after midday. So we will add 12 in 6. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18:35 hours. So time will be 18:35 hours. 12 o'clock midnight. How to write time in 24 hours for the 12 o'clock midnight. How to write? We will write in 2 ways. We can write 2400 hours, and we can also read as 0000 hours. यहाँ से नए दिन की शुरुआत होती है. 0 hours and 00 minutes. So we will start counting hours after midday. So we can, अगर हम 1 से शुरू करते हैं आफ्टर मिड डे, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 टिल टू मिड डे. मिड डे के बाद 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This is the time at 12 o'clock midnight, and we can also read as 0000 hours. And both of the time we will write time in hours. I am repeating one more time. 12 o'clock midnight. This is the time. 12 o'clock midnight. This is the time of midnight. रात के 12 बजे का time. How to write in 24-hour clock? We will write 2400 hours. क्यों? Because after midday we will not read as 1 PM, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. हम ऐसे read नहीं करते. We will read as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is the time 12 o'clock midnight. We will also write as 2400 hours. In another way we will read as 0000 hours. 12 o'clock midday. So 12 for we have to write 12 o'clock midday as 1200 hours. Next part of the question. Conversion of 12 o'clock time into 24-hour clock time. Here time written in 12-hour clock, and we have to write in 24-hour clock. 12 को 24 में we have to convert. 6:05 AM. This is written in 12-hour clock time and we have to write in 24-hour clock. What is to do? Read. Here AM is written. Wherever, whenever AM written, simply we have to write time in hours. AM को remove करके we have to write hours. 6 and ये dots भी नहीं लगाने. 6:05 hours. And as I told you, we have to write hours in 2 digits. So we have to add one more 0 before 6. 2 hours, 2 digits in, we have to write hours in 2 digits as well as we have to write minute in 2 digits. So we will write 0605 hours. Why we are not adding 12? Because AM is written. Whenever AM written, simply we have to remove AM and we have to add hours and we will not add these dots. 4:15 PM. Here PM is written. It means whenever PM written, we have to add 12 in hours. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. 16:15 hours. क्या किया? PM को रिमूव करेंगे, आवर्स लगाएंगे and 4 plus 12 because PM is there so we have to add 12 in 4. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. 16:15 hours. Next part of the question. 7:10 AM. Here AM written. It means simply we have to remove AM. यहाँ हम 12 plus नहीं करेंगे. What is to write? 7:10 hours. And because hours only in 1 digit so we have to add one more 0. Always we have to write hours in 2 digits as well as minute in 2 digits. So we will write as 0710 hours. 7 hours and 10 minutes. We will not add AM or PM after converting in hours. 9:45 PM. Time written in PM. It means we have to add 12 in 9. When you add 12 in 9, you will get 21. So we will write 21:45 hours. 9 में 12 प्लस करिए, you will get 21. And PM, we will remove PM. We will not use these dots and time will be 21:45 hours. Next part of the question. 5:20 PM. Here PM written, it means we have to add 12 in 5. 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. 17:20 hours. What we are doing here? We are writing 12 o'clock time in 24-hour clock time. आपने देखा होगा रेलवे स्टेशंस पर जो टाइम शो होता है, दिस इज रिटन इन 24-hour clock. वहाँ पर 1 PM 2 PM नहीं होता, AM नहीं होता, वहाँ 13, 14, 15, 16 ऐसे होता है. Now 9:35 PM. So here time written in PM. It means we have to remove PM and in 9 we will add 12. 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. So 21:35 hours. जितने मिनट्स होते हैं उतने ही मिनट्स लिखने होते हैं. ओनली यू हैव टू ऐड 12 in hours. 8:15 AM. Here AM written, it means we will not add 12 in 8. 8 में हम 12 प्लस नहीं करेंगे because time given in AM. Simply 8:15 hours. We will remove AM and we will add hours and we will not use these dots. And but we have to add one more 0 because we have to write hours in 2 digits. Time is 2:30 PM. Here time is, I am writing here. Space नहीं है so I am writing here 2:30 PM. Here PM written, it means we have to remove PM and we will add 12 in 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 and 14:30 hours. क्या किया हमने? We will add 12 in 2, we will get 14 and then 30 and then hours. We will not write PM, we will write hours. 12 o'clock midnight. We can write 12 o'clock midnight as 2400 hours. Will you tell me why I am writing? Because this is the time after midday. So 12 में 12 plus करिए, you will get 2400 hours. 12 o'clock midday. This is the time of midday. So we will write 12 hours. I am repeating from the beginning one more time. How to write time written in 12 o'clock into 24 hour clock time. 12 o'clock को 24 में कैसे लिखते हैं? In 24 hour clock time after midday, we will start reading time as 13 hours, 14 hours. Midday के बाद we will add 1 in 12. So 12 में 1 plus करेंगे, you will get 13. And 24 hour clock में we will not write time in AM and PM. Simply we have to write in time in hours. AM और PM में हम टाइम नहीं लिखते 24 आवर क्लॉक में. सिंपली वी हैव टू राइट टाइम इन आवर्स. तो 12 के बाद हम 1 प्लस करते जाते हैं. अगर टाइम 1 o'clock है सो वी विल ऐड 1 in 12. सो टाइम विल बी 13 आवर्स. अगर 3 o'clock है तो वी विल ऐड 3 hours in 12 hours. 12 plus 13 is equal to 15 hours. So in this way we have to read time in hours in 24 hour clock time. As I told you, for writing time 12 o'clock time in 24 hour clock में लिखने के लिए what is to do? I already told you, whenever PM written we have to add 12 in hours. So 12 plus, क्योंकि यहाँ पर टाइम PM में है तो 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. And how many minutes? 35. So 12, 13, 35 hours. We will remove PM. PM अब हम नहीं लिखेंगे. We will write time in hours. And we will not use these dots. We will not add these dots also. So time will be 13, 35 hours. Here time written in AM. So we will remove AM. And we will write time in hours. And we will not add these dots. ये डॉट भी हम ऐड नहीं करेंगे. Simply we have to write 4, 4, 5 hours. And because I already told you, hours we have to write in 2 digits. So we have to add 1 more 0 before 4. Time hours in 2 digits, as well as we have to write minute in also 2 digits. So answer will be 0445 hours. Same here. Conversion of 24 hour clock time into 12 hour clock time in 24 hour clock time. How to convert? How to write 12 hour clock time in 24 hour clock time. 12 hour clock time कौन सा होता है? जिसकी लास्ट में AM और PM लिखा होता है. So these are the time written in 12 hour clock. And here we are writing time in 24 hour clock. क्या करना है? 6:05 AM. This is written in 12 hour clock time. And we have to write in 24 hour clock time. What is to do? We have to remove AM. AM को remove करेंगे क्योंकि AM है इसलिए हम 12 प्लस नहीं करेंगे. We will write 06:05 and we will write time in hours. 0 क्यों लगा रहे हैं? Because we have to write hours in 2 digits. Here 4:15 PM. Time written in PM. It means we have to add 12 in hours. So 4 plus 12 is equal to 16 and 15. 15 minutes. 16, 15 hours. So in this way we can write 12 o'clock time in 24 hour clock time.